May dalawang Pinoy na boksingero ang hinakot ang lahat ng kampyonato sa welterweight division. Pinabagsak ang lahat ng kanilang nakalaban, matindi pa kay Terence Crawford at Manny Pacquiao ang ating mga kababayan. Sa sobrang lakas manuntok ng Pinoy na ito, halos mawasak ang atay ng champion na kalaban. Gumulong-gulong na parang bulate ang maskuladong Thai na kalaban. Sa sobrang sakit, halos lumabas ang dila ng Thai na kalaban. At pag tumama ang suntok niya sa mukha ng kalaban, walang dudang nabibiyak talaga ang tanga ng tamaang kalaban.
Protects at all times. Neither does that hurt. Referee really needs to pounce here. Don't know why the referee is again.
And he eats a right hand as well. Round number 2. But there it is again.
And also the punches to the body. And here we go on.
Purong Pinoy na hybrid na boksingero ang magpapabagsak kay Terence Crawford sa ibabaw ng lona. Si Terence Crawford ay ang isa sa pinakamalakas na boksingero sa welterweight division. Undefeated at 2 times undisputed champion, pero siya ay ilang beses ding narugi sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa pagsibol na mas pinahybrid na Pinoy na boksingero, may isang Pinoy sa welterweight division na kayang pabagsakin si Terence Crawford sa ibabaw ng lona. Mula taong 2019 ay hindi pa natatalo ang ating bida. Knockout lahat ng mga nakalaban niya. 6 na bansa ang kanyang pinatumba na hindi nagawa ni Crawford sa talang buhay niya. China, Iran, Pakistan, Indonesia, Thailand at India. 6 na bansa ang pinasuko ng ating bida matapos talunin at pabagsakin ang pinakamahuhusay na boksingero nila. Dahil dito, hinako talaga ng ating pambato ang mga belt at titulo at kampyonato na maaaring mas matindi pa kay Pacquiao ang ating boksingero. Si Joper Berha Montano ay ang tinaguriang El Guapito ng Philippine Boxing. Nagmula siya sa Baguio City, Negros Occidental. Katulad ng ibang nangarap na boksingero, nagmula rin sa hirap ang ating pambato at pagsasaka rin ang tanging hanap buhay ng pamilya nito. Mula pagkabata ay bugbog na sa kakatrabaho at maagang nabatak ang katawan ng ating boksingero, kaya napakalakas ng stamina nito. May natural na talento at napakalakas ng kamao nito, kaya kinuha siya ng mga Arabo para hasain ng gusto ang talento nito. Araw ng Sabado, February 4 taong 2023 sa BIC MMA Gym, Dubai, United Arab Emirates ay dumayo ang ating pambato. Haharapin niya rito ang pinakamalakas na boksingero ng bansang China. Si Bashabu na si Wola ay isang higanteng Chinong boksingero. Napakalakas nito pero binugbog lang siya ni Joper Montano. Dahil sa impresibong panalo kontra sa napakatangkad na pambato ng China, ay nabigyan ng pagkakataon ang ating bida na lumaban para sa Asian Boxing Federation welterweight title. Araw ng Huwebes, March 30 taong 2023, dumayo ang ating bida sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Makakalaban niya rito ang pambato ng bansang Iran na si Kashar Ghasemi na may 100% knockout knockout power ratio sa record na 7 panalo, lahat sa pamamagitan ng KO, kaya heavy underdog dito ang ating pambato. Pero ang pinakamalakas na pambato ng Iran ay 6 na round lang po ang itatagal sa ating kababayan.
Another southpaw versus orthodox. Good left hand from Joffa early on. Good left hand to the body from Joffa. Kashir mimicking exploiting the body of Kashir. What's to the opposite, cracking left hook to the body from Joffa. And Joffa is slightly, maybe hurt, but saved by the belt. There we go. Left hook, left hand there from Joffa sets the ring. Good double down and left hand. Different fighting now. All Joffa here. Left hand from Joffa. Pushing forward, Joffa. Rally now, like he did at the end of the fourth and the third. There we go.
Dito sa round number 6, sumuko na ang kalaban ni kababayan dahil nabali na pala ang balikat niya sa laban. Araw ng Huwebes, June 29, taong 2023 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand. Dumayo ang ating pambato na si Joffer Montaño upang harapin ang isang boksingero na naghamon sa kanyang trono. Si Muhammad Bilal ay ang kinatatakutan ng Pakistan. Bago siya naging boksingero ay naging isa muna siyang leader ng mga bandido. Sa mukha pa lang nito ay parang hindi na siya bubuhay ng tao, kaya napakabangis ng kanyang naging entrada nito. Idagdag mo pa ang pagiging UFC champion niya, kaya nakakatakot talaga ang boksingero na kalaban ng ating bida. Meron siyang record na 11 panalo, 9 dito ay pinatulog niya lahat sa ibabaw ng lona at 3 talo lamang. Samantalang si Joffer Montaño ay meron namang 15 panalo, 13 dito ay sa pamamagitan ng KO at mas marami na 5 talo. Kaya heavy underdog po dito ang ating pambato. Round number 1, balbasarado at nakakatakot ang kalaban ng ating pambato. Pero hindi naman natinag dito si Joffer Montaño. Agresibo agad ang ating kababayan. Pinakita niya agad ang lakas ng isang Pinoy sa kanyang kalaban.
Orthodox. Jim in Dubai and third fight to compete for them. So this is what I was trying to say. If it's who I'm thinking of, very accurate with his straight. And again, going Mohamed Bilal. Good right hand there from Mohamed. Joffer snubbing it off though and still pushing forward. Right overhand, just missing. 1-2 lands down the middle there from Joffer. Bilal for firing back with his own right hand. That's gonna do it.
So round number 2, malakas din pala ang kalaban. Nakipagsabayan din ito sa ating kababayan. Maganda ang kanilang naging palitan at hindi talaga basta-basta ang boksingero ng Pakistan.
From Mohamed Bilal. Right hook to the body there from. Whoa, big miss there from Joffer. Wants to be. Whoa! A huge left hand which put him off balance. A long left hook as well to the body now, and that's it for round 2.
Round number 3, nakukuha na ni Joffer Montaño ang tamang distansya at tempo, kaya napapaatras na ang kalaban niyang boksingero.
Right hook there. Good left to the body. Oh, good right hook there from Joffer as well as Mohamed. Look, accurate. And he lands with the lining his rhythm and groove in that round, and that's it for round 3.
Sa round number 4, ramdam na talaga ng kalaban ang bigat ng kamao ng ating kababayan. Kaya gusto na nitong makapanggulang at hinedbat na ang ating kababayan.
Oh, and this is probably what Joffer was complaining about earlier, just the duck of the head.
Tuloy ang laban ng dalawang boksingero at dahil sa headbutt ay naging lalong halimaw ang ating pambato para hindi na muling makapanggulang ang kalaban nito.
With the straight left to the body. 1-2 connects though for Joffer that time. Just over the halfway mark. Left straight connects there for Joffa. Again from Joffa connecting and straight down the middle. Ahmed. And Joffa landing with the right hand connects though for Mohammed. Good shot. Sort of woken up a little bit after getting.
Round number 5, puro power shot na ang pinakawala ng ating kababayan. Pero ayaw talaga magpatalo ng kalaban. Puro power shot din ang pinakawala ng boksingero ng Pakistan. Pero mas madiin talaga ang suntok ng ating kababayan.
But coming forward now, change of tactics from the Pakistani fighter. Left hook there from Mohammed. Right overhand there from Mohammed, who's trying to have a firefight in the pocket with Joffa. Good 1-2 there lands for Joffa as it's been a very left hand to the body there, the middle. But Joffa with a good flurry, connected with the left hand, big right hook as well. That's gonna do it.
Sa round number 6, dito natatapusin ng ating kababayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Puro powerful na suntok ang pinakawala ng ating pambato na accurate na tumama sa kalaban nito.
1-2 down the middle from Joffa. Good hook to the body there from Joffa and right hook to the head as well. Left hand needs to see some offense. Throw as many shots to the body as he can against Joffa.
Dahil sa diin ng kamao ni Joper Montano ay tuluyan ng bumagsak ang kalaban niyang boksingero. Pero sobrang yabang nito at tinawanan lang po ang ating pambato.
It's down, it was the left hand from Joffa. And Mohammed is taking a knee.
Muli siyang tumayo at lalaban pa dahil sa kanyang inaakala na mananalo pa siya. Pero parusa lang ang matatanggap niya at dito na siya mawawasak dahil hindi na niya kaya.
Okay, looks like the fight's going to continue. First knockdown in this round and Joffa going in for the kill. Left hand thrown at Mohammed 3 times in a row and Mohammed's down for a second time. One more time and that's going to be it. Is Mohammed going to get up? I don't think he is.
Isang bagong kampiyon na boksingero, si Joper Montano, ang muling magtataas ng karangalan ng mga Pilipino. Mas matindi pa kay Errol Spence Jr. at Terence Crawford ang boksingerong ito, ang papalit kay Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang trono. Naging bagong kampiyon ng WBO Oriental Welterweight Division si Joper Montano, kaya dumagdag na naman ito sa nahakot niyang kampyonato. Araw naman ng Sabado, September 30 taong 2023 sa FCC Gym, Pattaya, Thailand ay muling dumayo ang ating bida. Makakalaban niya rito ang pinakahalimaw ng bansang Indonesia. Si Ribo Kondimang ng Indonesia ay nangako na wawasakin ang ating boksingero, pero round 2 lang pala ang itatagal niya sa ating pambato.
Wearing the red shorts with the white into southpaw, very exciting. And it looks like the Filipino is already starting off very strong. The miss. And it looks like he'll get overwhelmed by the power. Right hand landed to the body and Reba just took a jab in his face. There it is again. That left hand that Joffa wants to throw. And there it is. It lands clean on the chin. But Reba and his head snaps back. Round number 1. And another left and sends his opponent to the canvas. Joy, he thinks he's won. Reba's tick. You cannot be saved by the bell.
Fighters,
And
to your
there it
corner.
is. Round number 2 underway. Pull something out of the bag. I know it's only round number 2. But there it is again. Sending his opponent title. And Reba is up. And the ref is called.
Isang napakatindi at impresibong knockout na panalo ang pinamalas ng ating boksingero, kaya nakuha na naman niya ang kampyonato ng Asian Boxing Federation Welterweight Division. Araw naman ng Sabado, March 30 taong 2024 sa World Sham Stadium, Bangkape, Bangkok, Thailand ay muling dumayo ang ating kababayan. Haharapin niya rito ang pinakamalakas sa bansang Thailand, si Acharya Wirodjana Sunubol ay kinatatakutan sa welterweight division, pero katulad ng ibang halimaw na boksingero, round number 2 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato.
Lots of former belts. Now the center of the ring. Got another southpaw against Wild. Joffa's now landed a nice body shot, followed up. Not take any of the bait from Acharya as he lands a nice body shot as well. Left now. downstairs. And another left downstairs. Lands clean for Juffa Montano. Less than a minute to go for round number one. As Juffa and it works both ways, and there it is. Very nice job by Juffa. He's finding this goal, Mr. Juffa Montano. Just the throw, the uppercut. If you're putting your head down there, you don't move into the uppercut. A big left hand knocks Achuria back, and it was more off balance than anything, but a beautifully timed left hand win on the scorecards this early. And he hits a right hand as well, which puts him to the canvas.
Kahit na matangkad at napakalaki ng kalaban, nagawa pa rin ni Kabayan na talunin siya sa isang napakagandang knockout na pamamaraan. Nadepensahan na naman ng ating pambato ang kampyonato ng WBO Oriental Welterweight Division. Araw naman ng Linggo, October 6 taong 2024 ay muling dumayo ang ating bida sa Ramidra Lumpini Stadium, Bangkok, Thailand. Nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon para kalabanin ng kampyon na pambato ng India na si Shiva Thakran. Hawak nito ang titulo ng Universal Boxing Organization Continental Welterweight Division. May record po ang Indianong ito na 19 na panalo, 10 sa pamamagitan ng brutal na KO. Kaya crowd favorite talaga siya sa laban na ito. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero na nakalaban ng ating pambato, round number 5 lang din ang itatagal ng kalabang Indiano.
Team victories, 5 defeats, 2 draws, going up against Shiva Thakran on his record 19 victories.
Juffa's going to do. Can he do it that one more time? Juffa's got to just do things in an orthodox fashion. I know he's in a southpaw boxing style, which can be very difficult to deal with.
Right hook to end the round from Joffa.
Earlier than this, he's now up against a tough fighter from India, Shiva.
Heavy shots. He's even
Sa sobrang lakas ng ating kababayan ay labis na nasaktan ang kanyang kalaban. Napatakbo ito at tuluyang bumagsak sa kamao ni Kabayan.
That jab, he gets his opponent to walk into his other hand, and it looks like now Shiva looks hurt, and it looks like he was trying to give up here, but Juffa, taking no prisoners, charges him down.
Yeah, not too sure what happened there. Protects him at all times. Shiva does look hurt. Referee really needs to pounce here. Don't know why the referee isn't getting involved. I'm still doing the count.
I think he hurt his hand when he was.
Maaari talaga niyang talunin at pabagsakin si Terence Crawford. May ibubuga talaga ang ating kababayan. Siya na ngayon ang bago nating aabangan sa sport na suntukan.
Outside of their opponents before sending that power shot, and already a great shot landed by like a body shot has put him down to the canvas, and there it is, folks. The first stiff.
The body opened up for him. I feel like every shot he threw upstairs was just to open the body up for him. So here's Speed of Dem with the official announcement.
Salah fight again. Again, he's going for the front pad. He's going to the right to the body. Again, by Salah. Salah punches everywhere. Manichai Jim has gone down.
Matindi pa kay Ryan Garcia, Tank Davis at Crawford ang kamao ng ating pambato sa welterweight division. Lahat ng kalaban na tayo na boksingero ay gumapang sa kamao ng ating pambato. Sa sobrang lakas manuntok ng Pinoy na ito, halos mawasak ang atay ng champion na kalaban. Gumulong-gulong na parang bulate ang maskuladong tay na kalaban. Sa sobrang sakit, halos lumabas ang dila ng tay na kalaban. At pag tumama ang suntok niya sa mukha ng kalaban, walang dudang nabibiyak talaga ang panga ng tamaang kalaban. Napakalakas na Pinoy at undefeated. Lahat ng kalaban niya sa Thailand ay kanyang pinagapang sa welterweight division. Siya na ngayon ang bagong kampyon ng WBC Asian Continental Welterweight Division. Sobrang lakas ng kamao at napakadelikado. Future superstar talaga ng boxing sa Pinas, si Raymart Silva Solidad o mas kilala bilang Raymart El Bazooka Solidad, ang ipinagmamalaking boksingero ng bayan ng Enrique Magalona, lalawigan ng Negros Occidental. May halimaw na record na 8 panalo, 6 sa pamamagitan ng brutal knockout at walang talo. May husay, diskarte, talino, speed power at syempre killer instinct sa ibabaw ng lona. Pag bumabato siya ng suntok, talagang iniinda ng kalaban. Napakadiin ng kamao ng ating kababayan. Mas mahusay pa yata ito kay Cuadro Alas Janrel Casimero na Uya Inoue at Junto Nakatani sa Bantamweight Division. Kaya naman pinag-aagawan siya ngayon ng malalaking boxing promotion. At katulad ng ibang nangarap na boksingero ay mula rin talaga sa hirap ang ating pambato. Pagsasaka at contraction sa probinsya ang nagpatigas ng katawan niya, kaya naging halimaw agad siya sa ibabaw ng lona. 25 anyos lang ang ating bida pero superstar na siya sa Highland Boxing Gym ng Thailand dahil dinominan niya talaga ang lahat ng mga halimaw sa welterweight division ng Thailand.
And Jatapol to just start firing at each other.
Yeah, Jatapon taking more hits than the Pinata, and the left hook cracks him right down to the canvas. Jatapon doesn't, he's at 8, and that is it! Raymond Soledad improved.
Araw ng Sabado, November 9 taong 2024 sa ISFCC Arena, Pattaya, Thailand ay dumayo ang ating kababayan. Makakaharap niya kagad dito ang Master Champion ng Underground Fireball ng Thailand. Si Pluim Wangklak lang ay kilalang napaka-brutal makipaglaban pero round 1 lang pala siya sa ating kababayan. Relax lang po dito ang ating pambato habang gigil na ang magbabagsak ang kalaban niyang Thai na boksingero.
Wearing the white shorts with the red trim. Spin right now, round number 1 underway. A nice jab gets through for Raymond. Looks very calm, and we've got a classic southpaw against an over. Who can get their lead leg on the outside of their opponent before setting that power shot? And already a great shot landed by Raymond. Took the words right out of the mouth, and he just set up that shot, and it looked like a body shot has put him down to the canvas, and there it is, folks. The first stiff slant. But this is one of those things about boxing is when you take a shot to the body, exactly what he did. And I think Plum just realized professional boxing, those body shots.
Araw naman ng Huwebes, December 26 taong 2024 sa Space Plus Arena, Bangkok, Thailand ay muling dumayo ang ating boksingero. Makakaharap niya rito si Natatok Param, ang destroyer ng Thailand. Pero katulad ng naunang kalaban, round 1 lang din siya sa ating kababayan.
Sing Masak Jim in the black shorts and the gold trim.
Remat to the body, and I've seen Remat fight many times. A very strong fighter, very calculated, very stiff with his shots, and we can already see it there, going down low with a big right hand, swinging upstairs with those left hook on Lobo, which is exactly what that was there. Great counter punch there by Nata Hook.
Good counter hook there from Raymart.
Comparison to the first 20 seconds, and like we've said before, Nata Hook just had to weather that storm, I felt, but a big right hand puts him man to the canvas. Puts Nata Hook Sing Manasak Jim to the canvas, and he's up already. Will we see the Filipino fighter try and take him out early?
And again, he looks for that cracking body shot. That just echoed throughout the arena there.
Dividends. So here we see some of the action replays. We just saw those left hooks being really targeting that left side of his opponent, but then as soon as the body opened up for him, I feel like every shot he threw upstairs was just to open the body up for him. So here's Peter Den with the official announcement.
Raymart Soledad!
Araw ulit ng Huwebes, February 20 taong 2025 sa Saulom Night Bazaar, Ratchada Pisik, Bangkok, Thailand ay meron na namang naghamon sa ating kababayan. Si Sakda Langkabam ay ang tinaguri ang The Golden Boy ng Thailand dahil lahat ng kanyang nakalaban ay talagang kanyang pinahirapan. Pero katulad ng mga naunang kalaban, round 1 lang din siya sa ating kababayan.
Proudly watching and cheering for Raymart Soledad of the Philippines. Here we go into round 1. Another left by Soledad, counter by them. To the body by Soledad. Left and right by Soledad. Left by Soledad. Another one to the right. He's put him down. He's going to go down for an 8 count. Okay, they come back in. Soledad is hungry. He's already hungry. Soledad. A left by Soledad. Body by Soledad. Left and right to the body by Soledad. Again, left and right, and beautiful body punches. He put Chai Jim down for the second time. Here we go again. Soledad, left and right again, left and right, left to the body of Soledad again. Chai's trying to defend himself, but he can't. Soledad's coming in very soft by Soledad. Another punch to the body by Soledad. Another Chai's trying to defend. He's trying to left over the top. Soledad left and right again. Again, he's going for that right part. He's going to the midsection of the rod. Soledad again to the body. Left to the right to the body. Again to the body by Soledad. Soledad coming in punches everywhere. Manichai Jim has gone.
Sumunod naman na nakalaban ng ating boksingero ay ang prinsipe ng Thailand, si Chinatip Tawipon, na sobrang lakas. Isang suntok lang ang lahat ng kanyang nakalaban na boksingero, pero hanggang round 3 lang pala siya sa ating pambato.
Chinatip Tawipon. So, drilled for 6. Both fighters holding central ring, exchanging jab for jab action. Right hand to the body there, man, just grazing that left hook upstairs. Lands a nice right hand downwards. Float around, nice left hook to the body. Raymar returns with an uppercut of his own. Right hand upstairs. Left hook there. The Mickey Ward not giving anything away. Tapping the guard, and there we see it once again. Tap the guard and go down low very hard. Beautiful stuff by left hook to right hook landed by Raymar. Left hook to left hook, right hand glances the left hook down. Chinatip's got to do something here. He's got to give something to worry about. That is the end of round number 1. Round number 2 underway. Tap of the gloves at World Siam Stadium in Bangkok. These shots are getting through to the body. Right hand start returning with shots of his own, and he's doing a good job of it, right? Tap Mickey Ward special coming out once again. Shot. Boom, big shots being landed to the body. Credit where credit is due. Chinatip has taken some huge shots in this. Left hook upstairs, slight 15 seconds of round number 2. The fight starting to warm up. Swing and a miss there by Raymar. Goes forward, hammers away with a round number 3 underway. And those openings of Chinatip. Chinatip not giving it up too easily. Tapping upstairs, he's going to crunch him downstairs, and there we see it once of Chinatip. And the referee has seen enough. Great stoppage by Soledad.
Araw naman ng Sabado, May 31 taong 2025 sa World Champ Stadium, Bangkape, Bangkok, Thailand ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato. Makakaharap niya rito ang kampyon ng Thailand sa Asian Boxing Federation na si Jatopol Raksapet, ang halimaw ng Thailand. Pero kahit gaano siya kahalimaw, round 1 lang din siya sa ating kababayan.
It is the Philippines taking on Thailand. Raymar Soledad in the red corner taking on Jatopon Raksapat in the blue corner. The lead leg, what do you have to do? How do you have to angle yourself up?
Well, you've got to remember, when you get that lead leg on the outside of your opponents, it allows you to step closer in and land a more powerful shot. But here we are, both fighters just absolutely going for it in the center of the ring. Neither wanted to take a back step there, Ali. Just absolute swinging for the fences. Raymar and Jatopol to just start firing at each other.
Yeah, Jatopon taking more hits than the pinata, and the left hook cracks him right down to the canvas at 7. He's at 8, and that is it. Raymar Soledad head, and it was the left hook that got the job done for him in the first round.
Dahil sa sunod-sunod at impresibong panalo ay nabigyan na siya ng pagkakataon para lumaban sa kampyonato ng WBC Asian Continental Welterweight Division. Araw ng Sabado, November 29 taong 2025 sa World Champ Stadium, Bangkok, Thailand ay muling dumayo si Kabayan. Makakaharap niya rito ang kampyon ng Thailand na si Apinom Kongsung. Napakalakas at talaga mapangwasak ang kamao nito, kaya kinatatakutan siya ng napakaraming boksingero, pero hanggang round 5 lang pala siya sa ating pambato.
This is the main event. Let's go.
Okay, interesting scores here. Josh Reese scoring in 38-38, a draw. And Josh scoring in 40-36. Just a regular on the moment. Got a slight draw in the controversy.
Like I said, if you're scoring it from the west and you're scoring it from the south, you're going to see the fight in two different ways. Both fighters just kind of.
Si Raymart Silva Solidad ay maaaring di mo kilalang boksingero, pero isa rin siya sa mga talentadong boksingero na patuloy na nagbibigay ng karangalan sa mga Pilipino at di na magtatagal ay magiging world champion na natin ito. God bless everyone. Bye!